Hello viewers, welcome to the Hi-Fal Parenting channel. Look at this lovely puree for babies. This is made of potato. I'll show you how to make it. It's very good for the babies. But before I start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you get all my updates. Benefits of potatoes are well known. They are rich in carbohydrates, protein and vitamins. They are very tasty and they are also easily accepted by the babies when we start weaning. To make puree, you take 3 potatoes, preferably organic. As you know, potatoes grow under the earth, so they always contain a lot of sand or mud. So wash them thoroughly with fresh water so that they are really clean before we start cooking. Let's start cooking. So I put the pan on the stove with the water in it. Water is near to boil, so add all the 3 potatoes in the water. Do not add salt as the baby's kidneys are not mature enough to excrete excessive salt that they receive through food. So up to first birthday, babies should not be given any additive salt or sugar through their food. So water has started to boil. Cover the lid and cook the potatoes until tender. It has been 15 minutes. Potatoes must be ready now. Water has been boiling. We remove the lid carefully so the steam does not burn our hand. Viewers, you can see that colors of the potato is changed. We use the fork to check if the potatoes are tender enough. You see, fork can easily go inside the potato, which shows that potatoes are well cooked and ready to be eaten. Drain out the water carefully as the water is very hot and it can result into burn injury. So remove it with a lot of care. Now we peel off the potatoes. Potatoes should be kept aside for some time so their temperature comes down. It's easy to peel them off when they are a bit colder. It is not difficult to peel off the potatoes as they have very thin skin, which is easy to remove when the potatoes are cold. Cold does not mean that they are completely cold. However, the temperature comes down compared to the temperature when they were out of the boiling water. They are still warm, but the temperature of the potato is bearable by the fingers when we are peeling them off, and it's also easy to mash them when they are still warm. Potato is completely peeled off. It looks really nice and pretty. It's ready to be mashed to make puree. Do not peel off the rest of the tomatoes. Keep them in the refrigerator to use later. Let's make puree. Cut potato in small pieces directly into the jar which you want to use to make puree. When done with cutting potatoes, add almost 20 ml of warm milk, preferably organic, full cream milk. Close the jar tightly and start making puree. Let's blend the mixture. The consistency of the puree depends upon the age of the baby. For example, if the puree is made for 4 months old baby, it should have a creamy texture without any lumps or particles of the potatoes. If the baby is 6 months or older, the puree does not need to be that smooth as babies of this age can eat food with little particles in it. It really depends what they like. Let's dish out the puree. You can see the texture of the puree. It's very smooth and creamy. No particles of potatoes are seen inside this puree. Babies of small age really like this puree, not only due to its texture but also its taste. There is also no chance of choking if the little baby receives such creamy puree to eat. Little babies like this puree due to its texture and its taste. Let's give it to the baby now. You can see baby is really happy to eat this puree. He opens his mouth to eat it and swallows quickly. He seems to be happy eating this puree. He enjoys its taste as well as its texture and happy to take more. If the baby rejects any food, don't worry. Babies need some time to adapt to the taste of different foods. Keep offering the food again and again after some intervals to the baby. Baby will soon develop the taste of the food which you are having trouble with. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, press the like button as it shows the appreciation of our work. Also share my video with your friends and family.